In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new catalog in Lightroom Classic. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to make sure you follow these steps to organize your photo editing projects efficiently. Starting with a new catalog can help you manage your collections better, especially if you're working on multiple projects or using different themes across your photography work. First, open Lightroom Classic on your computer. Once you're in the main interface, look towards the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the menu bar. Click on File. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option that says New Catalog. Clicking this option will start the process of creating a fresh catalog, a kind of blank slate for all your creative endeavors. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a location to save your new catalog. Here, it's important to pick a folder that is both easily accessible and organized. You might want to create a dedicated folder for all of your catalogs, so you'll always know where to find them when you need to switch between different projects. After you've selected your preferred location, it's time to name your new catalog. The name you choose should be descriptive enough to give you an immediate sense of the content or purpose of the catalog. This will greatly help you in maintaining an organized workflow down the line. Once you've settled on a name and location, look for a button labeled either Create or Save, depending on your operating system. Clicking this button will bring your new catalog to life. At this point, Lightroom will close the current catalog you were working on and open up the new one. Don't be alarmed when your new catalog appears completely empty. That's exactly how it should be initially. This new catalog is ready for you to start importing photos, organizing collections, and applying edits unique to your current project. In summary, creating a new catalog in Lightroom Classic is an excellent way to manage different photography projects and to keep your work neatly organized. By selecting a proper location, giving your catalog a meaningful name, and knowing how to switch between them, you'll streamline your workflow and make sure your photo editing sessions are as efficient as possible. Now you're all set to dive into your new catalog and let your creativity flow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.